everyone and welcome back. In this video, we will be exploring the inbuilt user management system in WordPress. Imagine you want to create an e-commerce app or a social networking website. In this case, there will definitely be a requirement of users registering into your website and then logging in using that. So in this video, we'll figure out how you can do that in WordPress. So this is that screen that we're gonna be talking about where you can specifically manage all these users who sign up to your website. By default, WordPress comes equipped with a very powerful user management system. To access it, you just click on this users option on the left sidebar. Mainly this interface will let you add, delete, or edit details of users. You can also control the amount of access these users have when it comes to your website, such as you can make a user an admin or an administrator of your website, which means that they'll have all the access, to change anything that they want. You may also choose to make a user just an editor where they will have limited access to editing posts and pages on your website. Similarly, there are many such roles that you can utilize for the user, and you can then decide which role you want to assign to which user. All right, let's also walk through these features. First, the add new user option. This allows you to add new users by providing basic details like username, name, email ID, and, assigning a role. So let me add a new user over here. Let's just add a new user called Joe, and then a sample password, a few more details, and done. As you see, we have added a new user which shows up right here. Next, we need to look at the profile section or the profile screen. Now, the profile screen allows you to add or edit information of a particular user. Now, as an admin, you can view any user's profile and edit information inside of it. These are like the standard fields which we just filled up while creating a new user. Pretty much the same field. As usual, there is a choice to make bulk changes or take bulk actions using these checkboxes on the left. And, a search box like every other WordPress feature, which you may know by now. It's exactly the same. Now, let's talk about the user roles. I've shown this a few seconds ago. By default, WordPress offers a few roles. Each of them come with specific rights, capabilities, and accesses. These roles are generally administrator, editor, author, contributor, and subscriber. These roles define the level of access each user has on the website. It is possible for you to customize them using plugins, such as creating a completely new role with specific capabilities that are not available by default. You can do all of that using plugins, but by default, this is what you get. One thing to note is that generally administrators or admin roles have all the access, which means they are the ones who can change others' users' role too. So that's pretty much what user management is all about. As your website grows, managing users becomes really vital for you. Understanding and utilizing user roles ensures a smooth user experience for everybody. So do ensure that you focus on this while users register on your website. And that covers the user section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.